Ever wish your ride could be smarter, safer, and just plain cooler? Well, 2025 is almost here, and so are these game-changing car gadgets that will transform the way you drive. Wireless jump starter. Imagine this. You're on a road trip, the sun's setting, and suddenly, dead battery. We've all been there. But instead of panicking, you pull out your wireless jump starter, a sleek, compact device that fits right in your glove compartment. No jumper cables needed, just plug it in, and within minutes, your car is back on the road. It's a total game changer, ensuring you're never stuck waiting for a tow truck again. Your future self will thank you. Smart Rearview mirror. Picture driving through a rainy, foggy evening. You can barely see what's ahead, but your smart rearview mirror comes to the rescue. This isn't just any mirror. It's a high-tech device with a built-in dash cam, GPS navigation, and even voice controls. With just a command, you can get turn-by-turn directions while keeping your eyes firmly on the road. It's like having a co-pilot who's always on point, making your drive smoother and safer. Bluetooth tire pressure, monitoring system. You're cruising down the highway, enjoying the open road. When your phone buzzes, it's a notification from your Bluetooth tire pressure monitoring system. One of your tires is low. You don't have to pull over or stop to check. This clever system syncs with your phone, giving you real-time tire stats, preventing blowouts, and increasing fuel efficiency. It's a simple addition to your car that could save you hundreds of dollars in repairs and keep your trip stress-free. Car vacuum cleaner. If you've ever spent hours trying to clean crumbs, dirt, or pet hair from your car, you know how frustrating it can be. Enter the car vacuum cleaner. Small but mighty, it fits perfectly into your car, reaching every corner and crevice without hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and voila. Your car looks spotless. No more taking your car to the car wash for a quick clean. This vacuum is all you need to keep your ride fresh. Magnetic phone mount. You're driving, navigating through heavy traffic, and your phone starts to buzz. Instead of fumbling around for it or pulling over to check, you simply place your phone onto your magnetic phone mount. The magnet securely holds your device, and now you can easily glance at directions or respond to calls without losing focus on the road. It's fast, easy, and efficient. Just a snap, and you're good to go. No more messy, clunky holders. Dash cam with parking mode. You park your car and head into the store, leaving it unattended for a few minutes. But with the dash cam in parking mode, you don't have to worry about what happens when you're not around. This smart dash cam continuous recording even when your car is off, capturing any suspicious activity or accidental damage. Whether it's a hit and run or a vandal, you'll have the proof you need to resolve the situation. Peace of mind even when you're not in your car. Car fridge. It's a hot summer day and you're on a long road trip. What could be better than pulling out a cold drink to beat the heat? That's exactly what the car fridge offers. It's small enough to fit in your car, plugs right into the power outlet, and keeps your drinks, snacks, or even medication at the perfect temperature. No more warm sodas on the road. With this portable fridge, you can always have a refreshing beverage within arm's reach. LED car cup holder lights. Let's set the scene. You're cruising at night, your favorite playlist is on, and you're feeling the vibe. What completes the mood? LED car cup holder lights. These tiny lights illuminate your cup holders with a range of colors, adding a sleek, stylish touch to your interior. You can change the colors to match your mood, your music, or even your car's exterior color. It's the perfect little detail that elevates your ride from ordinary to extraordinary. Heads-up display. Imagine driving on a busy highway, and instead of looking down at your dashboard, you simply glance up and see your speed, navigation, and other important stats projected right onto your windshield. That's what the heads-up display does. No need to take your eyes off the road. It's a futuristic gadget that makes driving safer and more efficient. Plus, it gives your car a high-tech, spaceship-like feel. Talk about next-level driving. Car security system with remote start. It's a cold, early morning, and you're still bundled up in bed, but you've got the car remote start system on your keychain. With just a press of a button, your car's engine starts up, warming the interior and defrosting the windshield. Meanwhile, your car security system is keeping an eye out, ensuring your vehicle stays safe while you're still at home. It's the ultimate convenience and peace of mind, all in one sleek package. Car Sun Shade. It's a scorching summer day, and your car feels like an oven when you open the door. But with the Car Sun Shade, you don't have to worry about burning your hands on the steering wheel. Just unfold it, and it covers your windshield, keeping the sun's harsh rays from baking your car's interior. This little gadget saves your dashboard, your seats, and your sanity, giving you a cool, comfortable car every time you return. Portable jump starter with air compressor. You're stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire, and your car's battery is dead. It feels like the worst combination of bad luck. But with the portable jump starter with air compressor, you can tackle both problems at once. Use the jump starter to get your car running again, then plug in the air compressor to fill up your tire. This multifunctional device saves you time, energy, and possibly a towing bill, getting you back on the road quickly. Car seat organizer. Have you ever felt like your car is a mess of random items? From loose change to receipts and snacks, it's easy for things to pile up. That's where the car seat organizer comes in. It slips right between the seats and gives you an extra place to store everything. From your phone to your keys to a pack of gum. Everything stays within reach and neatly organized, making your driving experience stress-free and clutter-free. Auto window tinting kit. Want to add a sleek, modern look to your car? The auto window tinting kit lets you customize your car's windows at home. Imagine the satisfaction of giving your ride that cool, mysterious vibe, while also protecting the interior from harmful UV rays. The tint also keeps the cabin cooler during the summer, making it a win-win. It's an easy DIY upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in both style and comfort. 360-degree car camera. Ever wish you could see everything around your car while parking or maneuvering in tight spaces? The 360-degree car camera does exactly that. This system provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, giving you the ultimate awareness. No more worrying about hidden obstacles or blind spots. Whether you're parallel parking in a crowded lot or navigating tricky corners, this camera ensures you won't miss a thing. Electric car jack. Gone are the days of struggling with a heavy manual jack to change a tire. With the electric car jack, all you have to do is press a button and your car is lifted in seconds. This high-tech gadget makes tire changes quick and easy, especially in emergencies when every second counts. Whether you're at home or on the road, the electric jack ensures you're prepared without breaking a sweat. Smart car charger. We've all been there. Your phone's about to die, and you're on the road with no way to charge it. The smart car charger solves that problem. It's not just any charger. It knows your device and adjusts the power output to give it the fastest, most efficient charge possible. Plus, it has multiple USB ports, so you can charge your phone, tablet, or other gadgets all at once. No more waiting around for your devices to power up. Car Emergency Toolkit. You're on a long drive when something unexpected happens. A flat tire, an engine issue, or worse. That's when the Car Emergency Toolkit becomes your best friend. With everything from a seatbelt cutter to a window breaker, this kit ensures you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. It's the kind of gadget you hope you never need, but it's invaluable when you do. Smart car battery monitor. Imagine this. You're about to head out for an important meeting and your car won't start. With the smart car battery monitor, you'll never experience that panic again. This device connects to your phone and tracks the health of your battery, giving you real-time updates. You'll get notified when it's time to replace the battery, so you can avoid a dead car at the worst possible moment. Car Rearview mirror camera. Backing out of a parking space can be tricky, especially with limited visibility. That's where the Car Rearview mirror camera comes in. Not only does it replace your standard mirror, but it also gives you a live feed of what's behind your car, ensuring you never miss a thing. Whether it's a pedestrian or another vehicle, you'll always know what's going on in your blind spots. Portable Car Air Purifier. When you're in your car, the air you breathe should be clean. The portable Car Air Purifier makes that possible, removing dust, allergens, and harmful pollutants from the air inside your car. If you're someone who suffers from allergies or just wants to ensure your car's air is as fresh as possible, this purifier is a game changer. It's small, effective, and the perfect way to breathe easy during every drive. Car heater seat cushion. On cold mornings, there's nothing worse than sitting in a freezing car while waiting for it to warm up. Enter the car heater seat cushion. Just plug it in, and within minutes, your seat is toasty warm. It's the perfect solution for those chilly mornings when you need a bit of extra warmth while your car gets up to temperature. Wireless car charger mount. Charging your phone while driving just got easier with the wireless car charger mount. No more tangled cables or fiddling with cords while you drive. Just place your phone on the mount and it automatically starts charging. It's the perfect hands-free solution to ensure your phone stays charged during your commute, all while keeping your car's interior neat and clutter-free. LED underbody lights. Looking to add some serious style to your car? LED underbody lights are your answer. These lights illuminate the underside of your car, giving it a custom look that's impossible to ignore. With different colors and effects to choose from, you can personalize your car's appearance and make a statement wherever you go. It's a fun and eye-catching way to elevate your ride. Smart tire pressure monitoring system. At the top of the list, we've got the smart tire pressure monitoring system. Keeping track of your tire pressure has never been easier. This gadget sends real-time alerts to your phone so you can stay on top of your tire health and avoid unnecessary repairs. Whether you're driving a few miles or going on a long road trip, this gadget ensures you're always running efficiently and safely. It's a must-have for any car owner who wants to stay ahead of the game. Let me know in the comments which gadget you'll be grabbing first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest gadget recommendations. See you in the next video.